Multiply 17,002 times 911. So I'm going to set this up using the regular old algorithm. Always put your number on the top. It's just easier that way, in my opinion. So we're going to do 17,002 times 911, just like that. Now this is a 5-digit number times a 3-digit number. What I'm going to do first is go to the bottom number and multiply the number in the ones place value to everything up here going right to left. Now these numbers are friendly. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Nothing crazy there. Now we move to our next place value on the bottom number. When we do that, you have to include a 0 all the way to the right before you begin. Now we follow the same exact process, multiplying 1 to every number starting from the right and moving your way to the left. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Again, same exact numbers because we multiplied 1 both times. Now this is going to be a little bit more frustrating. We move on to the 9, which is in the hundreds place value. That means you include 2 zeros before you begin, and in this case we're going to have to carry over a few times. 9 times 2 is 18. Write out your 8, carry over the 1. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. Write out your 3, carry over a 6. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Write out all of 15. Now we're going to add these 3 numbers. Like so. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 7 plus 0 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 7 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. Nothing plus 5 is 5. Nothing plus 1 is 1. Go from the right, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, and we end up with 15,488,822. Big number.